Yes, we are right here at Fuveme in the Volta region, where the sea has taken the whole land of the residents living in this place. So there is no more Fuveme here. And what happened is, behind me you can see, that is the sea. And then down behind me again, that is the river. Yes, as you can see. So what happened is, the sea has entered into the river. The sea has taken over the whole place and then joined the river, which has never happened before. So what happened is, because of that, even some of the villages living at the river bank, they are afraid because of what happened to the Fuveme people, because some lives were taken. So the remaining residents or people living in the community, they've moved to another place to settle there, called Agokeji. Even that of Agokeji too is not easy. It is not easy, because what happened is, the sea is still destroying that land as I speak now. Because just now, the sea right from behind me has just run into the river just now. So because of that, it has created some sort of scare. Yes, so it's not a small thing that is happening here. I don't know who could do something about it. I don't know if anything could be done. It is not easy. It is not easy. What the people have faced here, what they are facing here, it's not easy. It's not easy. So if you can see, yes, this is the sea that has just run to this place, entered into the river. It's not a joke. What is happening here, it takes the hand of God. It takes the hand of God. Or it will take the hand of God to do something or prevent whatever is happening here. It is not an easy thing that is happening here.